guys, so today I'm going to go over how to replace your reverse lights, your backup lights, as well as your license plate lights in the second gen Toyota Tacoma. In my last video I went over this kit has some interior lights as well. I will leave this linked in the description. The other thing you're going to need is a 10mm socket, and let's get started. First thing, we're gonna take these two bolts right here. There's one on top, one on the bottom, and this is gonna pop right out. So let's get to it. Now that we got that popped out of there, we're gonna take this bottom clip. Okay. Pop that out. That way it makes it just a little bit easier to work on. Okay, as you saw me struggling there, you gotta twist it. Lefty-loosey twist it, pop it right out. Then you take your bulb and just pull it out just like that. Pretty easy. And that's what it looks like, guys. It's just this cool little LED bulb here. We're gonna take it and throw it in just like we took just the reverse of that. Plug it in, looks good. And line up these little things right here with your hole and twist it in. There we go. Cool. Now let's plug it back into the truck. There we go. Pop everything back in. Everything looks good. We got it all screwed back in. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I'm just gonna give you guys a closer look here. This is the bulb right here. This is the one that we twist. Twist it and pull it right out. And that's what it looks like. Pretty easy to do. On the other one, I showed you guys I unplugged this. It made it just a little bit easier to mess with, but honestly this isn't too bad. So yeah, twist it, unplug it, throw your new one in, and plug it back in the hole, and she's ready to go. Pull the old bulb just straight out like that. Line the new one up. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then line up the holes. Just tight. Just line everything up. You'll see these things right here. There's holes on the inside right here that you just line it up, push it right back in. Super, super easy, super simple to see when you guys do this. There we go. And then take your bolts and screw them back in. So with the reverse lights done, we're gonna go ahead and jump into getting the license plate lights done. Super easy way to do this, guys. Takes minutes to get it done. Super cheap as well. Let's jump into these license plate lights now. So on these license plate lights, they just have this Phillips screw right here that we're gonna unscrew and then pop the bolt out just like we did the other lights. Throw the new one in and she's ready to go. We got that unscrewed. Now we're just gonna kind of work our way to pop this thing out. There we go. I know I have an aftermarket bumper like you guys saw, but oh, there we go. This also is for the stock bumper. It's the same way. We just took the stock lights right here, threw them on the aftermarket bumper. went to town. So let's go ahead and replace it and we'll be good to go. And that's what it looks like, just this little guy. And a twist. One thing I've learned, you have to twist it. Take it out. Here's the old one. There we go. Take our new LED, line it up, and just push it in. Take our holes, line up the holes inside. There we go. And just like that. Okay, take the clip right here. Just put it back in, make sure it's tight. Take our screw and just start screwing it up. Alrighty. And there you have it, guys. We'll go out tonight, see how it looks. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought, and we'll see you guys in the next video.